Guys, this is why I love the thrift store. He is an authentic Disney store for $1. And look at how good of a guy he is. He's like got no stains. Ah, you're coming home with me. All right, we're gonna share with you guys the stuff that we got for her room on super budget and let you know where we got it. So we went to Flawless yesterday and didn't realize that they have such cute stuff for really inexpensive. So even though we bought a rug from Tuesday morning, we ended up finding 2 of these rugs, and they were, how much were they, Landis?
$16 or $12?
$12.
$12 each.
And they're like 9 feet by 5 feet or something.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put 2 8x5s, and then we're gonna sew them together or glue them together or something to it. Maybe possibly put them together. Then what else do we have?
From Flawless, we also got this red pillow.
That was $10.
This one was $10.
But I did say she could get it because it's a little on the pink side, but
No,
she
it's
thinks
not.
it's red, so
It's red.
I compromised.
It's red.
And what else? So
we also got this light lime green
comforter, which we're gonna iron on some stuff on it, right?
Yeah, and then we got these window panels, blue and yellow.
Yeah, we got some at Tuesday morning, but then we found these and they were like $6.99 for 2 panels and then another $6.99, so I figured why not get those instead. And then that comforter.
Yeah, this one's from Flawless.
Yeah, but okay, so we're going through Flawless first. I think that's everything from Flawless.
That's everything from Flawless.
I got that one at Burlington or Ross. I got it at, oh, Tuesday morning. That's right. We got that at Tuesday morning for $9.99.
And
then that comforter was on clearance at Target for how much?
$9.
$9.99. Okay, and then these are all dollar store. There's another bag in the garage of dollar stores. Oh, okay.
We got like,
So we got tiki torches and these little tiki bar signs.
yeah,
These little lamps.
Got lots of those things. We got like fishnet.
Oh yeah, we got
Put it
fishnet.
everywhere.
I forgot about that. We bought this stuff a while ago.
It's gonna be cool. And then we have like
Cute
this-
little signs. That's kind of that's like a margarita thing, huh?
Yeah, I know.
I'm not sure if we'll put that in your room. What are those? Oh, those were for slime.
Yeah, forgot about these.
Fun. Oh, and then that guy is so cute. It's a little coconut to drink out of for you to put like water in next to your bed.
Yep.
But I'm loving these flowers and the tiki torches. These are all at the Dollar Tree. So super cheap. I'm surprised we found so much good stuff for so cheap.
Yeah.
But I'm excited to see it in here.
I'm gonna use this.
No. And then status of this room. This one's going stir crazy.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so under her bed we got 2 panels. We were gonna do all 4, but it just was way too busy. So what we did was we took a shower curtain and we hung it in here, and then we're putting these on. And what I'm doing is I'm just gonna measure to the bottom, and I'm gonna cut the fabric just a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna use some bias tape or some like hemming tape to hem them so there are no sew. Okay, so we're gonna just hold them down, and I'm gonna figure out how long I want them, but I'm gonna add about 1 inch so that I have room to hem, and I'm just gonna cut like this, and then I'm just gonna tear it. And that will make a perfectly straight line. And then I'll just have to cut right here. And then I'm gonna take some iron heat and bond strip, and I'm just going to fold this in a couple inches twice over and iron that so that it just goes right to the floor. I'm gonna do the same on this side as well. So now we're hot gluing shells onto the thing that we bought at Burlington. Is that where we got this? And then we're just kind of taking the shells and figuring out where we want them, and then we're gonna hot glue them on and hang it on the wall. And we also, let me see the clothespins. So she also she did this. She hot glued some of these on the clothespins, so when you put the pictures on it, little shells will hold them on. That's gonna be so cute. I'm recovering her corkboard that used to be blue and gold. I'm just taking a piece of fabric and I'm going to hot glue it right close to the edge, and then I'm just going to shove the excess underneath the frame. And then we might take some of this net, we're not sure yet, and hang it over it so that we can pin seashell pictures on it, and that would be so much fun. Alright, update. You got, ow, your new bed in your room.
Yes.
We've got everything piled on it.
Don't mind this. This is not me.
This isn't you. So we're doing baseboard. That's why everything is kind of crazy. So we're going to do baseboard inside her closet. Obviously, that's what it used to look like. And Landis's room is done, but we're not going to show you guys until the room reveal. So right now we're kind of working around everything. It's kind of crazy. We got a lot of her stuff in the living room.
Why did Landis's room have to be first?
Well, because your door is not off yet. Ask him.
What?
Why did Landis's room get done first?
Because Mom made me.
No, I didn't. I don't know why we started on that one. Actually, we started on that one because it was empty. Because when Anna moved out, it was empty, so that was easier. So then we moved all of Landis' stuff out of here. So now that her stuff's out of here, we have less stuff in here. That's why hers was first. Is that better?
That makes so much sense.
Okay, yeah. It's not because like she's our favorite kid or anything. Personally, I think your room is going to be adorable. Yeah.
I think so too.
I think so too.
My bed's so good.
Are you excited?
Okay. Last night at like 3 or 4 a.m., Hunter jumped on my bed and woke me up by giving me a bunch of slobber kisses. And I woke up and the sun was shining.
Alright, so I'm in her closet and I'm hanging these cascading lights. These are so cool. So I've just wrapped the long part around and I'm letting these dangle and then I'll let them out. But these were like 10 bucks on Amazon. They're in my Amazon store for room decor. And then I got these, which they're like, I just shoved them up right now, but I hung them on a, what is this called? A shower curtain. Alright, they're dangling and they're on and they've got this little button, so we have to figure out how we're gonna do this and put it, come on, focus, focus. Anyways, there's a button and you press it and they can dance. You press it again and they stay on. You press it again, they twinkle. It's so pretty. It's gonna look really cool when the sheer covers it, then it won't look all wiry. But look how long they are. They land on the ground. So I'm gonna have to figure something out where maybe I double them so that they hang over her bed instead of go behind her bed. I think that's what I'll do. So I got these 2 pots. This one won't stop singing. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna get this one or not. Okay, so I put her up here because I noticed there's this little guy right there. If you pick him up, he sings. When you put it down, it stops singing. So he wins. He's gonna, I think it was a girl when I first started talking about it. It's coming home with us. You're going in Briley's room. Alright guys, so thrift store haul is a success. I found this amazing luggage thing that gave me an idea and I'm gonna try something with it. If it doesn't work out, I'm gonna probably words are not working, try to find another vintage luggage because I came up with a genius idea, which led me to try to find a basket, or I just turned and I saw this basket and then it gave me another idea. So these will be used in Briley's room. And then I went and I got a bunch of frames. I got all these vintage-y frames. What I was looking for was this texture, like any type of textural frame. I didn't really care what was on the inside because we're gonna do some fun stuff with these. And then I also found some plain ones for Landis's room. Once again, I was not caring about like what the inside looked like. I just cared about the shape of the frame. I don't care about the color because we're gonna spray paint them. And then I found a bunch of different sizes just as long as it had texture. And then, of course, I found Sully, so he had to come with me because he was $1. And then inside here is actually the teapots that I bought. She wrapped them and put them in here. So I got 2 teapots for Briley's room, and then I also got a dresser for Landis's room, which was brand new, donated by a store that was going out of business. So we're gonna go pick that up right now, and I'll show you guys it. I also got some of this bad boy stuff at Home Depot this morning because we're going to start priming all of our pieces. Even though I don't know what color they're going to be, I'm going to prime them. Alright, now we got all of our frames out here. So I bought all these textured frames. And we're going to take all the frames out of them, the glass parts. We're going to save the glass just in case we want to reuse it. And I got purple spray paint, the same 2x Ultra Cover paint and primer. And then I got a couple of these metallic golds that we used on the dresser pools as well. We're going to be painting some fun things. I'm going to take this vintage whatever this is, briefcase, and I'm going to tape off all these pieces with painter's tape, and then I'm going to spray paint this purple because that's what Briley wanted it, and we're going to use this as the topper to her end table. So then I also have that basket right there that I'm going to spray paint gold, and yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Alright, so we're going to lay them out like we want them on the wall. That way we can pick which colors we think will look best for what, if that way we don't put like too many golds on one side and too many purples on another. So we can figure out, okay, we want, you know, all of them to be gold except like a couple accent ones or something like that.
Look at that!
That looks good.
It's so cute.
This is all gonna look so cute. So this cost us $9
For all this.
plus $4 of spray paint. Hopefully we can, so that is a super cheap, fun project. Except we're not done. We're gonna put some fabric and some vinyl, different things on the inside. But for the most part, it's cost us about $15 at the most right now.
Really?
Yeah.